Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2024 Ford Transit. Now this is the long wheelbase high roof model, and it does come to you with 13,000 miles upon the clock as well. It does also come with 3 cloth lined seats upon the interior, which I will just show you now. So as you can see, there's also a 6-speed manual transmission along with air conditioning, radio, Bluetooth connectivity, hands-free cooling, and also voice assist. And if I do just show you the load area in the back as well, you can see that it is indeed ply-lined, interior lit, and there are cargo rings to tie down any load you may want to carry here as well. I will just show you this space from the back again. And as you can see, this does also have a clean, undented and unscratched bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner of this van did also only use it for light loads. Now, if you would like to find out more about this van, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk, or check out our website, it is in the description of this video, or head over to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more.